In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in GoDaddy. If you want to update the default currency on your GoDaddy account, this process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and make sure you're signed in. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're in the correct account before making any settings changes, especially if you manage more than one account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your profile area. This is where GoDaddy keeps your personal account options and preferences. Click on your profile, and from there, go to Account Settings. This section contains the main settings related to your account, including billing preferences and other defaults. After you open Account Settings, scroll all the way down through the page. Depending on your device or browser, this option may be a little lower than expected, so take your time and keep scrolling until you find the setting labeled Default Currency. When you click on Default Currency, GoDaddy may ask you to verify your identity first. This is a normal security step and helps protect your account whenever important settings are being changed. If verification is required, complete that process first. You may receive a code that needs to be entered before you can continue. Once you get the code, type it in carefully and submit it to move forward. After the verification is complete, you'll be able to change your currency setting. At this point, simply choose the currency you want from the available options. Make sure you select the one that best matches how you want prices and billing information to appear in your account. Once you've made your selection, your default currency will be updated. One helpful tip is to review your choice before leaving the page, just to make sure the correct currency is now selected. That can save time later, especially if you use GoDaddy for purchases, renewals, or managing services across different regions. And that's it. Open your GoDaddy account, click Profile, go to Account Settings, scroll down to Default Currency, complete the verification if prompted, enter the code, and then choose the currency you want. It's a quick setting to update, and now you know exactly where to find it.